Tired of Ethereum transactions feeling like a financial pit stop? Let's break down Ethereum fees, also known as gas, so you can navigate the blockchain without emptying your wallet. Think of gas as the fuel needed to power transactions on the Ethereum network. Every action, from sending ETH to interacting with a decentralized app, requires gas. The total fee is calculated by multiplying the gas units used by the transaction times the gas price. Gas price is denominated in GW. I don't worrying about the math just yet. Most wallets calculate this for you. Several factors influence gas prices. Network congestion is a big one. When lots of people are transacting, demand increases, and so do gas prices. More complex transactions, like those involving smart contracts, require more computational power and therefore more gas. And finally, market demand. If people are willing to pay more, miners will prioritize these transactions. Now, the million-dollar question: how to minimize these fees? First, try transacting during off-peak hours, when network traffic is lower. Second, adjust your gas limit wisely. Wallets usually estimate this automatically, but advanced users can tweak it. Third, explore layer-to-scaling solutions, like Optimism and Arbitrum, which bundle multiple transactions together, significantly reducing individual costs. So, don't let Ethereum fees intimidate you. With a bit of understanding and strategic planning, you can navigate the network efficiently and keep more ETH in your pocket. Make sure to check out the description for helpful links and resources to learn more. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tips and tricks.